Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a swag out of this sign. This sign I've had since 2014 I believe. I'm going to start with a 21-inch ruler stick. You can get them in a 3-pack at Lowe's. So I'm taking 2 pipe cleaners each and I'm spacing them out a few inches apart on each side, and I'm going to hot glue everything in place along with a piece of ribbon for the back side of the swag. Next, I'm going to go in with my burlap. I'm just going to do loops on each side of that ruler stick until I make it to the end. And then once I make it to the end, I just do 1 loop and cut it off, and I start on the other side. Next, I'm going to add my sign. I'm using pipe cleaners, and I'm just kind of feeding it through to the back until I get to the 21-inch ruler stick. And then I just twist it off. Now I'm going to work on my deco mesh. I'm doing about 10 to 12-inch pieces, and I'm doing a ruffle method, and I'm going to place those in the pipe cleaners on the side of the swag. Now I'm going to make my ribbon tails. I am doing 12 inches of the orange and black chevron and the harlequin, and I'm going to stack those, pinch them in the middle, and attach them to the sides of the swag. Now I'm going to make my bow. I didn't have enough of the orange and black chevron to make loops, so I just made those tails. I'm going in with the harlequin ribbon next, and after that I'm going in with the black and white plaid, and then I'm going to finish it off with some scrap black and white stripe ribbon that I had in my stash. Now I'm going to take the bow out of the Easy Bow Maker, and I'm going to take a zip tie right down the middle of it. I am not going to crank that zip tie all the way down just yet. I will put a pipe cleaner through the back. This way I have a way of attaching the bow to the swag. I did mess with this bow a little longer than what I should have. I did end up just putting it on the top part of the swag where the wire hook was that goes on the door, and it was just fine. It turned out perfect. Next, I'm going to trim off my pipe cleaners on the back, add an extra layer of ribbon to cover up those pipe cleaners, and hang it on my door. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.